Hi, welcome back to Ulti-Mate Roofing Supplies. I'm Shane Mitchell and today we're going to install a 10mm of fascia vent, so let's get straight to it. Okay, so a few things to remember. If you look along the fascia vent, you'll see these little lines here, little gaps. Now that's to push against the fascia. Once you know that there's a resistance there, that's when you know you've reached it. If you're on top, you're going to know about it because it's going to wobble. It should be nice and tight and firm, and that's when you know you're in place. Okay, second thing to remember is if you are installing right to left, you have a little hook on the end, if you can see that. And on the other end, you'll see a little gap, a little hole. Now, when you're nailing, leave off the last hole so that when you put the next one on, you can lift it, clip it, then nail it. Because if you nail it, you're not going to be able to lift it up and get the next one in. Always make sure that they are joined before you continue. Put the other fascia vent down until you can feel that resistance that we was talking about, and then put your 30mm alley plates in, slightly angle the nail going into the roof as to not come out the bottom. What I tend to do is every other, and then I fill in just to make sure that the line's in line, if that makes sense. Fill every hole and you're away. There's two sizes of oval fascia vent, and this is the 25mm. All the information, technical information is in the bio. Same principle as the 10mm, obviously for different roofs, different sizes.